When it comes to smartphones, Apple has always been the name that sets the tone for the industry. Every year, fans wait in anticipation to see what Apple will unveil, and with the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, expectations are sky high. Leaks, insider reports, and concept reveals have already painted a picture of what may become one of the most revolutionary iPhones ever released. The final design details and new upgrades confirmed for the iPhone 17 Pro Max show that Apple is pushing the boundaries of technology in ways we couldn't have imagined even a few years ago. In this video, we will explore every aspect of the device, from its stunning design, new materials, performance leaps, camera innovations, display technology, and software intelligence, to why it might just redefine what we call a smartphone in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The story of the iPhone has always been about evolution. From the early days of the home button and thick bezels to the sleek edge-to-edge OLED panels we see today, Apple has consistently refined both form and function. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max promises to be more than just an upgrade. It's positioned as a radical redesign. The leaks suggest that Apple is introducing a completely new chassis that builds upon the titanium material introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro series. Instead of relying solely on titanium, Apple may incorporate liquid metal alloys to make the frame stronger, lighter, and more resistant to wear and tear. This means that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could offer unmatched durability while maintaining the elegance that Apple devices are known for. One of the biggest design changes comes in the form of the front display. Reports confirm that Apple is finally moving toward a fully under-display Face ID and camera system, which means no notch, no dynamic island, just a seamless, uninterrupted screen. For years, users have wanted a truly edge-to-edge display, and with advancements in under-panel sensor technology, Apple seems ready to deliver. This alone could make the iPhone 17 Pro Max stand out visually as the cleanest and most futuristic smartphone ever released. Imagine watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through apps on a screen with zero interruptions. The immersive experience would be unmatched. Another major upgrade lies in the display technology itself. Apple is said to be adopting micro-LED panels for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Micro-LED offers higher brightness, better contrast, lower power consumption, and longer lifespan compared to OLED. This would mean richer colors, deeper blacks, and an overall viewing experience that feels more natural and realistic. Pair that with a potential promotion plus 144Hz refresh rate, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could become the gold standard for smartphone displays in 2025. Gamers, video editors, and everyday users alike will appreciate the smoothness and responsiveness that this display delivers. The performance of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is another area where Apple is set to dominate. Powered by the A19 Bionic chip, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, the device will offer massive leaps in speed, efficiency, and AI capabilities. This chip isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligence. Apple is rumored to be pushing heavily into on-device AI and machine learning, giving the iPhone 17 Pro Max smarter photography, predictive text, personal assistant features, and real-time translation without needing an internet connection. This aligns with Apple's focus on privacy, ensuring that most AI tasks happen securely on the device rather than on